everyone, and welcome to my channel. Now tonight I am doing an unboxing from Stylevana. This is their December PR. It's their December PR box. I apologize. And it does have Korean beauty products in it. So if you don't know about the company Stylevana, they are an online shopping beauty platform. They sell popular Asian skincare and makeup products. Now, I personally have never tried Stylevana, so this is a first one for me, but I'm looking forward to using their products. So they also did give a code for my viewers to receive 10 to 15% off, and my code is INF10Karma. I'll have all the information linked in the description box down below, so just look there. But if you do use my code, would you please leave it in the comments so I can personally thank you? I'd really appreciate that. So let's get started with this unboxing. So I am down to one hand. I did break my arm 5 weeks ago, so we're doing things a little bit differently tonight. So here is the first product. This is what that looks like. And what I am impressed about is that right off the bat, they put the expiration date on the box. I think that is a nice touch. This one does not expire till 10/18/25. So there's a perfect example. So here is our first product. And this is Lanbel Ultra Lifting EGF Ampoule. And this is 0.01 ounces. Beautiful packaging. The next one is this April Skin right here. And let me hold up what it comes in. So this is the April Skin. This is actually real calendula peel off pack. Now this is proven safe for skin. It's a calendula complex, and it's a pore care. I can use some pore care. So this is 3.52 ounces. This is a nice size. Very nice size. And I like that as pore care. Now the next product didn't come in a box, but that's okay. This one is Anuna Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. This is 0.67 ounces, and here's what it looks like. Now, if I didn't say it, if you receive something like this, or if you're looking, this is one thing I do like about Stylevana's website. When you pull up a product, it will say underneath the product the ingredients in the product and how to use the product. Because I see on this little bottle, it's not giving me that information like it does on the boxes. So I don't know. I don't think so. If it is, I didn't see it. So I did see that on the site. So I think that's a nice touch from them. Now, this is our next product, and as you can see, it's pretty packaging, but it's in white color letters that you're not seeing on the screen. And it's kind of hard for me to see in here as my house is dark. But I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I believe it's Horyu Wonder. I apologize if I pronounce that incorrectly. But this is a black rice moisture airy fit daily sunscreen. It's a SPF 50. And it says it's non-greasy and velvet finish. So that's what that one looks like. And I do like that this one, the cap just comes off and you have a nice easy pump there. I do like that. Okay, so the last two products, I haven't been doing my skincare for the last 5 weeks since I broke my arm in this winter time. So I have really dry skin. It's flaky, it's irritated, it's red. That's why I have my hair pulled back tonight, and I didn't apply my foundation like I usually do, because I wear like the double matte foundation. So you should see some like peeling, a little bit of redness, that kind of stuff. So I did ask my rep, out of the products that they were sending, were there any that were really good for really dry skin? And they replied back that these next two products are awesome for dry skin. So this is the first product. And see, directions are on the box. So, and this one is actually by Common Labs, and it is a vitamin C brightening sunscreen with SPF 50 again. That's impressive. Even though it's wintertime, we need to wear or have something with SPF. And 50, that's a good number for it. So I'm really impressed by that. And then the last product, yikes, this is what it came in. And I'm going to hold up the product. Now this is Numbusin. There's the top. And here's the front. Now this is Radiance Glowing Jumbo Essence Pads. There are 70 pads in here, and it is 5.07 full ounces. Now I did take a little bit of a further peek inside of here, and I don't want to call them clippers, because that's not what they are. Let's see if I can get this open. It kind of takes two hands. It's not that hard to open. But I got it open so you can see it. So you can see that little plastic piece on the lid. I'm calling them clippers. So you can take that off the lid and pull one pad out of here instead of sticking your fingers in there. So I do like that. I think that's a nice feature that it's on the back of the lid. It makes it so convenient. I apologize, I can't remember the correct word for them right now, but we're going with clippers. So, and they do stick on there pretty well. I mean, so that is the last product that I received from the company. And again, the last two products are the ones that they suggested for really dry skin. Now, I do plan on doing a review video probably in about a week to maybe 2 weeks, because I do want to try the products and give it some time and see how well it is working on my skin. So I will update you guys around that time. But in the meantime, if you have heard of this company, if you've tried any other products, or there's any products you'd like to try, please leave it in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts on it and what you have tried or not tried. Other than that, it is the holiday season, so whether you're celebrating it or not, I hope everyone's doing well, having a great season, and as always, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, well, stay safe. Have a good night.